Open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the familiar paper airplane icon to launch it. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Scroll down the menu options and select Files. This is where all your downloaded items are stored. Here, you will see a list of all downloaded files, including documents, images, and videos. Tap on any file to open it, or long press to quickly share or delete it. And that's it. Now you can easily manage all your downloaded files in Telegram. Remember to regularly check your Files section to keep everything organized. You can also use the search bar to quickly find specific files by name. Photos and videos can be viewed directly in the chat, making them easy to access. Consider using folders for better management if Telegram keeps sending large files. And remember, Telegram saves a copy of every file you receive until you delete it. Thanks for watching. Happy chatting and file sharing on Telegram.